Hello, it's Laura here, and we're going to have a quick look around some of my late summer flowering shrubs. Starting here with the sacred bamboo, Nandina domestica, which is just budding up nicely with its lovely pink foliage. Across a very nice rose that's called Peach Melba, that was Rose of the Year a couple of years ago. On past, it's not really a shrub, it's just a perennial. This is Althea cannabina, a sort of hollyhock that has these lovely single flowers that seem to dance around like butterflies on long airy stems at this time of the year. And on to the star of the minute, which is this Vitex, absolutely beautiful, slate blue and loved by bees. On down the front here, this was Rosa glauca, finished flowering now, but actually looks just as attractive with all its red hips on, with some little clematis seed heads tucked in there as well. Past the rosemary, and then onto this lovely Buddleia lindleyana, very late flowering, and flowers in these lovely sort of drooping purple racemes like this. And if you deadhead it when it's done, it'll do it again in sort of late September, October. And then just one final thing I wanted to show you on down past the sedums. Lemon trees still looking lovely, and also the hips on the Rosa pimpinellifolia, these lovely dark purple, almost black. But what I wanted to show you was actually in our little lean-to conservatory here, which has seen better days, but it still keeps going. But in here we've got the Aristolochia grandiflora, and I thought it wouldn't flower this year because it hasn't been very hot. But when I had a little rustle around, here we are, it is doing its thing, tucked in the leaves here.